I got myself an LED light. Come unbox it with me. So first, the tripod. So let's just cut this thing open. Okay. The tripod is a bit long. Like compared with the tripod I'm filming with, the legs look way bigger and advanced than the one I'm filming with. I watched the video where they were like, this tripod is not as strong and can easily be blown away. But I think this one compared to the one I'm using to film, this one might actually be stronger. That looks cool. But it's basically like this. This hair is going to be on the ground. Nah, that can't be the end. I think that is the end. Okay. How it looks like at the back. So, okay. And this is it. LED 600. Pro LED 600. Okay. And then this is what it looks like inside. This is the LED lights. Then the batteries. Something I want to mention. And then the charger and the adapter, I guess. Yeah. And then these are the batteries. Something you should note if you want to get an LED light is you should always ask for the battery that will be coming with it. I watched the video when I wanted to get it and was asking, or the video mostly talked about the battery of it. Now, if the battery you're getting is 2000 milliamperes, if that's what you're getting, they'll be giving you two of it for there are two spaces here and here. And if you're getting two, he said according to the video it will last for just like 40 minutes and then you need to charge it again before you can film with the light. So I had to ask the vendor that I was getting this from what battery will be coming with it, and he said 4400 milliampere is what will be coming with it. So the one you have to check for is 2000 milliamperes, no, 2200 milliamperes. Okay, this is the first battery. Yeah, 4400 milliampere. Or second one also 4400. So that means together that is 8800. And if it was 2200, that would just be two of them together would be 4400. Well, now two of these together is 8800. Now he was like, for these two it should last you like up to an hour and 13 minutes. So that's actually enough time for me to finish filming all I need to film before the battery runs out. Yeah, it's actually quite lightweight, so let's see how we can mount it up on this. There's actually something that we are supposed to attach. It's supposed to act like a bridge between the stand and the light itself. There's no way it can enter there. I really don't understand. There's like a hole or bolt and nuts. Yeah. So, okay. This is how it should be, I think. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! Now the next thing is to fix the batteries. Okay, and hear that click. Okay, that's that. And wow, we can actually reduce it. Like, let me see. Okay, this is me increasing it. Whoa, this is so bright. And I reduced it. Now this is warm, and this is kind of cool. You get. So basically, in photography, it's more like there's something like if like your picture is warm, it means it's kind of yellow, something like this. What it's giving. Now, if your picture is cool, it's something like this. So basically, you can just balance it so your picture is not too warm and not too cool. Right. So now let's see how it looks if I was actually to do a video. So now if you are seeing, you can probably see the position of the light or the direction of the light. The light is coming like this and I'm standing here. And it's not that far away from the camera, but it's here and I'm here. This is it. This is just the cool light, not the warm light. I will change it now for you to see how it looks like when it's warm. But also let me show you when it's like when the lights where I'm filming are switched off. So now I've switched off the lights of where I'm filming. This is just the lights coming from the LED light and the lights from the windows where I'm filming also. So this is what it looks like. Let me switch it back on and show you how the warm light looks. And this is how it looks like with the warm light. Now let me switch off the lights. I actually feel the lights here where I'm filming will not really affect the warm lights, because the warm lights actually soak over the entire place. So now this is it without the lights where I'm filming. Okay, so now let's check it. Now let's switch off, let's close all the windows that are bringing natural light in, and then switch off the lights of where I'm filming, and then see how much light this can actually give me. Let's check that out. Presently every single curtain is closed, like literally no curtain is open. And now let me switch off the lights, the NEPA light or whatever. So now this is what it looks like. The windows are closed, and then the lights of the room I am in is actually switched off. And then this is just from the LED light. My phone camera's light is not even on, just the LED light. Now let's see how it looks like with warm. Now this is only warm. Oh my god. I can't wait to start shooting videos with this, because I feel my videos are actually going to take a better turn and actually going to look way better. So if it's something, if you are looking to go into content creation and you're wondering if you should get an LED light, I think you should. It's expensive. It's expensive, I will not lie. It's expensive, but if you can get it, you should get it. But I also watched the video where they were like, between a ring light and this, which should you get? And the person was like, if you don't have a tripod to hold your phone, then you should probably invest in a ring light, because a ring light comes with the light and also a place where you could keep your phone. But now I already have a tripod for my phone, so getting a tripod with the LED light was not really so much of a problem. You get what I mean? So now I have two tripods, one for my phone and one for the LED light. But if you don't have any and you're just starting, it will be actually better to invest in a ring light, because it has the hook where you can place your phone and also comes with the light and has the tripod on its own. So that's actually it. Review about it, I'll say 9 over 10. Why not a 10 over 10? Because I can't really see. The light is blinding. I know it's probably because it's high presently and I've not even charged it, or probably because the light is high, that's why I can barely see anything. But it's a 10 over 10, and I'll be dropping the contact or the Instagram handle of who I got it from. So if you are thinking of getting it, you can actually get it, because it's quite cheaper to get it from Lagos than to get it where you are staying if you are not staying in Lagos. Like, so go with a trusted vendor, and who I got this from is a trusted vendor. So that is it for this video. Thank you. Bye.